our narrow glass door freezer. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 17 inches, a depth of 18 3/4 inches, and the overall height, we have 78.5 inches tall. Interior dimensions for the freezer will include 13 1/4 inches in length, 13 inches in depth. 13 inches is from the back of the wall towards the front of the shelf, and a height of 56 1/4 inches tall. Included will be 6 non-adjustable shelves. Each shelf will measure 12.5 inches in length by 12 3/4 inches in depth. The boundary between the 5th and 6th shelf below will include 8 3/4 inches, and the boundary of 10 inches will apply between the 1st, 2nd, and 3rd quadrant. And the boundary between the 1st and 2nd shelf will include 8 inches. Coming to the top will be the main fan. And included will be a user manual along with a pair of keys for lockup. The keys can be used for locking up. Coming to the top right exterior will be the power switch along with the temperature gauge controller. And on the back will be the 110/120 voltage plug, along with the ETL certification located on the top center. Looking on the top will be the acrylic banner along with the temperature display. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.